Hi, welcome to another episode of Tiny Kitchen Cooking with Alan. It's been so long, oh my god. I've been too busy. We got an addition to our family. Yay, baby girl, come here. So there might be dog in our food. Hi, Leila, you so cute, baby girl. Hi. What do you bake? Today I'm gonna make spring roll, and I add stuff that people don't usually do. And actually today I usually don't add cabbage, but today I'm gonna add cabbage. I don't know why, I just decided that. So first you soak the shiitake mushroom, and then you cut it. Doesn't matter, doesn't matter how big you want. I kind of like it a bit chunky. And you soak the grass noodle, and you fry them first. I mean, stir fry them first to make the filling. And where do you get this, Sean?
Great Wall.
Sometimes I bought the wrong one. It's the egg roll. I don't like the egg roll kind. I like the flour kind, I guess. Just flour in there too, but like not the egg one. And okay, so usually sometimes I add fish sauce, but today we have two friends coming who are vegan. So I'm gonna put soy sauce instead. Oh, the fuck! It's a big hole. I think it's hot enough. You know, I might fuck this up because I fuck it up many times. When you add the grass noodle to the oil, hot oil,
it's kind of noodle?
The grass. When you add the glass noodle to the hot oil, it's fry them and stick together. It's not good. So this time I do this first because I'm gonna add cabbage. So it's not gonna be hot oil with the glass noodle. And then when you fry the grass noodle, I don't know why. When you fry the glass noodle, I don't know what to say now. I forgot. When you fry the glass noodle, stir fry the glass noodle.
Just keep going.
When you stir fry the glass noodle, you add water. That's what they say. So, okay, I'm gonna put garlic in there first. I don't want it to be brown too much, I guess, so I'm just gonna add that now. Is it too big?
Put it in.
Woo! Ooh, it was too hot, but Thank you, Leah Chai. In the kitchen, really serious.
What did you have to drink?
Ooh, it's a lot, but I like it. So I'm gonna use this mushroom soy sauce. And I don't know, Maggi is like it's actually they don't call it soy sauce on the bottle. They call it like seasoning sauce. So no, something is different in that sauce. Better in some way. Black pepper. I like a lot of it. I wonder if we can use it. I'm gonna cut it out. See, if you have a Thai stove, it wouldn't get fry it like this. So I have to stir fry them for a while for the noodle to soak up the water and make sure it's cooked, otherwise it's raw. Yeah, now the water will go down and the thing is done. Oh. And now just wait it to cool and then you wrap it. I show you how to wrap it later. See, when it's dry, it's stuck to the pan. Like that. So I make a little paste from just wheat flour and water. So that, you know, when we roll it, you can use it. Another thing people don't put in their spring roll is coriander, but it's give a lot of character to the spring roll somehow. I really like it. I don't remember why I did it in the first place, but it's really good. I can feel the difference. It tastes so much better. So they stick together in the heat too long because the water dried out. So they stick together a little bit, see? I should have taken it out earlier, but you know what? It's not like you eat it from there, so it's gonna be in there, in the spring roll anyway. Ah. Leila, it's not yours, baby girl.
Is it frozen?
No. What you doing? You still got your scary mascara scoop. So sometimes the filling is separated. So this is what I do. Oh no, not yet. It's cute, huh? Let's make 3 and then we fry some, and I probably should eat something. No, 4. You want some?
We're gonna use mrbluevents.
Well, I like them both actually.
I don't know if we have plum sauce.
Yeah, we do. We bought it a long time ago.
That's why I don't remember. It's old.
I think everybody feeling is different, but I think mine is the best. Oops, sometimes it's not the same size. Yeah, that'll be fine. Okay, let's fry some. And you know, the inside's already cooked, so I don't think we have to worry about the heat. Just that the dough is done. So just, you know what, if you have the pan that have, you know, can do all the deep fry, it's better of course. But if not, then you have to just keep checking them and turn them. It's almost ready. Are you ready? I've been saying this like 3 times. What do you think? I think it's good, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Put on the paper towel a little bit. Ooh, crispy.
Go ahead.
How about the new one?
Mm-hmm.
Usually you use the plum sauce for spring roll, but I don't know, I like this better because it's not just sweet, it's sour. Oh no, I mean salty a little bit. But I'm gonna serve them both anyway. Plum sauce. Sweet plum sauce. I think that what you said before, you like the plum sauce better, that's why you bought this. But you know what? I like them both somehow. You can eat the whole, like, you know, but it's hot. I mean, you can wait, but I'm not gonna wait. Oh, by the way, sometimes people eat it with the peanut sauce, but the Thai peanut sauce it's not the American peanut sauce that you blend. So basically, it's just this kind of sauce, and they put ground peanut in it. That's the real Thai food. Or is it Chinese version of Thai? I don't know. But the peanut sauce that you get at the peanut
You keep saying it like
the peanut sauce is the peanut sauce that you get at the store here. This is not Thai food. No. You put ground peanut in this. Ground. I better be careful. You put ground peanut in this. It's okay. It's kind of hot. Woo. So good, huh? Okay, so spring roll, my style. I'm sure you won't have this style. Well, maybe 99% sure because I made the filling up myself. Some places don't put glass noodle and they put just cabbage or whatever. But trust me, this is the best one. I won't eat the other kind. I don't order spring roll in a restaurant. I only eat my own. And some place, when they put the glass noodle, they don't put coriander, and they feel like there's something missing. So here's a spring roll. Please follow us on all the hoopla. Thank you.